What if I told you BMW created an engine so powerful, refined and versatile that even Toyota borrowed it for their legendary Supra? Meet the BMW B58, a turbocharged inline-6 powerhouse that has been winning over enthusiasts and engineers alike since its debut in 2015. But what makes this engine so special? From its innovative design to jaw-dropping performance numbers and massive tuning potential, we will break down right there. Buckle up, smash that like button and let's get into it. The B58 was born out of BMW's mission to create a more powerful, efficient and environmentally friendly engine. It replaced the beloved N55 as a part of BMW modular engine family. But the B58 isn't just a simple evolution, it's a revolution. Engine architecture. Part of BMW's modular engine platform, which includes 3, 4 and 6-cylinder engines sharing common components for efficiency. First models debuted in 2015 BMW 340i and 440i, quickly gaining praise for its smooth power delivery and impressive efficiency. The B58 was engineered to be stronger, more refined, and capable of handling high performance demands while meeting strict emission regulations. Let's talk numbers, because that's where BMW B58 really shines. The first generation of B58 had 322 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, but the upgraded version, the B58 TU, has 374 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. But the real beauty of B58 isn't just in factory numbers, it's how effortlessly it delivers that power. Performance highlights. Smooth power delivery. The B58 pulls hard across the entire rev range, thanks to twin-scroll turbo and direct fuel injection. Efficiency. Despite its performance, it remains surprisingly fuel efficient, with models like the M340i boasting combined fuel consumption as low as 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Reliability under hard driving. The closed-deck block design ensures structural integrity, even under heavy boost. So if you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe to the channel so I can produce more content for you. The B58 isn't just confined to one or two models. It powers some of BMW's most exciting cars. BMW Z4 M40i, 300 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 km in 4.5 seconds. Toyota GR Supra A90. The same B58 engine powers the reborn Supra, delivering smooth power and earning massive respect from enthusiasts. BMW M340i, a luxury sports sedan that surprises with 374 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km in just 4.4 seconds. BMW X3 M40i balances family-friendly practicality with a serious 0 to 100 km time of 4.5 seconds. Whether it's a sports car, luxury sedan, or a performance SUV, the B58 provides its versatility. What makes the B58 so impressive from an engineering standpoint? Let's break it down. Closed deck block. Unlike the open deck design of the N55, the closed deck block provides enhanced strength, making the engine capable of handling higher cylinder pressures. Forged crankshaft and lightweight pistons, built for strength without adding unnecessary weight. Integrated water-to-air intercooler, reduces turbo lag by shortening the path for air intake and keeping temperatures low. Twin-scroll turbocharger, optimizes exhaust gas flow, delivering strong power without the lag typically associated with turbos. Direct fuel injection and Valvetronic provides precise fuel control, increasing both power output and efficiency. BMW didn't just build an engine, they crafted a masterpiece that balances power, efficiency and durability. Now, let's talk about why tuners absolutely love the B58. Stock internals can handle power. The B58 robust design allows it to handle up to 600 plus horsepower on stock internals. With simple bolts-on like a high-flow downpipe, intake, and exhaust combined with an ECU tune can easily push the engine to 500 plus horsepower. ECU tuning platforms. Boot Mode 3 and MHD have unlocked insane tuning possibilities, making it easier than ever to push the B58 to its limits. It's reliable. The closed deck design and strong internal components provide durability under high pressure conditions. This engine practically begs to be modified. Whether you are chasing track times or just want a faster daily driver, the B58 delivers. It's not just enthusiasts who are praising the B58. This engine has earned serious respect from the industry. Ford's 10 best engines, multiple brands for its blend of power, refinement and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Racing Helmet and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Keep those engines revving.